Welcome to the interactive ebook chapter walkthrough of Kelly M. Rennison and Mary Dodge's Introduction to Criminal Justice, Systems, Diversity, and Change. In order to navigate through the chapter, begin by clicking on the arrow next to Chapter 5, On the Streets, Organization, Responsibilities, and Challenges, in the left-hand window. Clicking on the subheadings will help you navigate through each chapter part. Note that even as the page changes and scales, the page numbers listed will always match the page number of the printed book. This allows students who are using both the print and ebook versions to easily switch between the two. The Highlights tab on the top of the window allows you to highlight the text and take notes. Clicking on the menu icon on the navigation bar allows you to manage and share them. Students can also color code and title the highlights for easy study. They can also share their notes and highlights with their friends or the class as a whole. The search bar allows you to search for keywords or ideas throughout the text. For example, typing corrections into the search bar will pull up all of the times that topic is discussed in the column below. As you can see, the page and text scales so that the text will flow appropriately on whatever device students are using, including smartphones, tablets, laptop, and desktop computers. This function also works on both Macs and PCs. Now let's take a look at the key features of the book. In the chapter's opening, students are provided with learning objectives to help them organize the chapter's key concepts. Additionally, and throughout the book, the authors provide the students with key terms and definitions called out in blue for easy reference. A unique part of the Rennison and Dodge text are the 4 running cases that appear in each chapter and give students real-life examples of the pathways and outcomes of criminal behavior and victimization. Designed to show the interconnectivity within the criminal justice system, each case study provides concrete examples of events, concepts, and terms. On page 123, students catch up on the case of Chris Farias, one of the 4 cases they've been following throughout the text. Chris was arrested a number of times for driving under the influence, and through this case, students see the consequences of drunk driving. Here students see how patrol officers interact with Chris on an evening when he is pulled over for driving under the influence. The video icon brings students to a video of Chris describing his booking and arrests that night. Another of the cases involves Jennifer Schuett, who at the age of 8 was abducted, raped, and left for dead. On page 125, students follow the investigation to find her attacker. In her video, Jennifer shares about the investigation and her current work helping victims survive and thrive. A common misconceptions box is found on page 125. These boxes explain the important distinctions between systems and policies that students often struggle to understand. Throughout the book, we feature a number of videos of our authors Kelly Rennison and Mary Dodge. On page 129, Mary Dodge shares with students the inroads women have made in policing. Here students will be introduced to ethical issues boxes. These hypothetical situations give students the opportunity to try their hand at applying the chapter's concepts to real ethical issues often encountered in criminal justice. Many students are interested in careers in criminal justice. Let's turn to page 141. Contemplating career boxes acquaint students with a variety of careers. Accompanying videos provide criminal justice practitioner insights into the skills, responsibilities, work environment, and even personality characteristics that make an ideal candidate. In this career video, we highlight victim advocate Barbara Wilmana. The end of chapter material is available to students to use as a chapter review. Students see a wrap-up of the key points. On page 43, they can click on key terms and phrases to see the definition, and professors can use critical thinking matters as a group activity, a written assignment, or as fodder for classroom discussion. Additionally, at the end of the chapter, Sage Edge information directs students to the website. Thank you for taking the time to view the online demonstration. Create a username and password in VitalSource in order to gain full access to this interactive ebook chapter.